Hi there, welcome to our channel. Today I will share with you this modern flower pack for Adobe Premiere Pro. This is RAR file. You can download, link in description. It's free. If you don't download this file, see below in description there have a video link how to download this RAR file. You see this video to know how to download this RAR file. Now I'm extract here this file. Importantly, before installing these, I would like to say that Adobe Premiere Pro CC 2020 and latest update, they will be supported. So I'm installing it. Copy this folder. First click here. Then User. If you can't find the app data here, see above view. Click this, then. Make sure, click on this hidden option. Then you will see it. Okay, now open app data, then roaming. Then Adobe. Common. Then motion graphics templates. So I pasted the modern flower pack folder here. So our install is done, you can use this. Now I open my Adobe Premiere Pro. See this window tab? Click this, then click Essential Graphics, then search flower, and use on your videos. I hope you understand how to use these. If you don't understand, please let us know in the comments. We will make a video accordingly and show you. Well, this was today's tutorial, so if you like it, be sure to subscribe to the channel and share the video. Thanks.